What's up, guys? It's gonna be a great video. As you can see behind us, we have a new one inside, 1993 Honda Civic. I'm not too sure which model it is right now. It's got a sunroof, D16.
Should be the EX model.
Yeah, maybe even EX, but been doing some great stuff to it today, or actually throughout periods. One today is major, the windshield being replaced. As you can see through the old clips, you'll see how devastating the windshield was before, but now it's super great. It looks really good. The molding looks great again. This is gonna be some stuff we gotta tackle when we go to do some more exterior repair. As we get in here though, due to the cracked windshield that we had, it definitely had some rust in this area. You'll see it through the video that Joe sent over. It's leaked all the way down here into the vehicle, which is causing a little bit of a mold scene. So what today is going to be about is removing this interior, all of it, before it gets ruined by mold. Cleaning thoroughly. If we can save it, we'll save it most likely, but if not, it's okay. I'd rather get something new than kill somebody with unseeable bacteria, and definitely clean up a lot of rust that may be underneath and discover what's underneath this. So it's gonna be a good little process today. Got that side out. Fortunately, my side, I'm running to a rounded off screw. Got all the rest of the three, but this one out. I'm kind of upset. But mallet in real quick. Trying to get that in there so I can at least get some type of bite on it, but no budge right now. So I'm gonna keep on hammering and hope for the best.
That beat is crazy.
Alright, so not getting any luck with the regular socket, so we got a frame out to come over T-bezel, give us a strip socket set that we can go ahead and snipe up here, get this one out and replace it with something greater. So we're gonna hold off from this point. We're gonna move to the rest of the interior and focus on getting that stuff out real quick.
Yo, that beat is crazy.
Alright guys, as you can see, this bolt was just rusted over. I'm gonna have to do some work to this one to get this back in and to get it off its hinges. Good goodness, man. Horrible. All that rust is due to this whole carpet still being drenched and wet. It's been actually inside the shop for I'll say a couple days now, and still feels drenched. So I'm glad I'm removing this carpet. Doesn't look like too much crazy rust underneath the passenger side, which is a good sign. So still waiting for the socket to go ahead and get that rounded one off removed, and then I'll go ahead and start on this middle console area too.
It might be easier from your side.
I have a big guy here, so there you go.
Give us a couple good ones, and then we'll try it. Good bite. Where's that? Fucking battery's dead. All right. Give me the breaker bar. like that because the impact bounces and it vibrates. It's on the inside, so it shakes the bolt, so sometimes it helps break the thread.
Anything comes in?
Yeah. Just return to. Ooh, that's fucking moist as a bitch.
Hold hands in there, bro.
You not hear it squish?
Yo, I did too.
Yo.
Yo.
It felt nasty. Didn't even have to break it.
Messing that real quick.
Moist as a bitch. That thing was like swamp rust water.
As you can see, driver's seat's out. I don't know if you guys can tell, but like Joe was saying,
My hand's moist.
that is not a good sign. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this last 17 off. Hopefully it's not as rusty as the other one was. And then hopefully we'll be able to just pull this carpet up and see the damage. Let's go. Alright, so carpet's up. As you can see, it's a pond in here. It's a good little pond. I'll try to get like a good example. Yeah, it's a good little pond in here. So we're gonna go ahead and get everything dried up, vacuum up, and degrease a lot of stuff in here. Get it cleaned up, and then I'll be going ahead and ordering a carpet for this and getting it nice all touched. Let's get it.
Yo, that beat is crazy.
So as you can see, the driver's side looks a lot more cleaner. Got them bolt holes cleaned out. Rust as best as I can gone away. Sorry if it's upside down, but also clean a little bit up here. The rest of this water I have to just let absorb or, do its natural process out. I'm going to go ahead and get on the driver's side real quick, and I'm going ahead and probably end it today for today's work. This is the old carpet. As you can see, we might need to get it outside pretty soon because that is a not normal to be tripping that much. All right, let's get it. If I'm not using this.
Yo, that beat is crazy.
Alright, this guys is the amount of wires I've been pulling out. Most of this is definitely got to do with, as you can see, cigarette lighter. Yeah, I'm gonna have to untangle a lot of this stuff and rewrap the OEM stuff to it, but yeah, a lot of this came out of the vehicle. Still one main wire, which went to, I guess, like an amp setup. Just ran through the firewall up to positive terminal. So I'm gonna go ahead and chill right here for today. I've already rolled the windows down just so it can air out. Clean some of this stuff out the next time I hop onto it. For the most part, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning up, as you can see. But the side's a lot more cleaner now. Yeah, and we'll start in the back seat pretty soon. But for the most part, definitely cleaner. I'm gonna go ahead and order a carpet for this vehicle. Probably cannot find a exact color to match what came out, but I'm gonna try my best. But if anything, probably be black that goes back into it. But well, who knows? We'll see what's available. But other than that, thanks for guys for watching. Watch out for the next video, and see you soon.
Yo, that beat is crazy.